Rafael versus
Now jersey number
Ali.
34.
46. Tatlaban sa isang San Rafael.
Pass to jersey number 10. 217. Back to 13. Steal by jersey number 1.
Steal by Sasa.
Now jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 13. 216. 3-point attempt. No good.
Kaipit sila kapatas.
Now jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 6. Now pass to 16 to 13. And jersey number 13. Pass to 34. 3-point attempt. No good. And rebound taken by jersey number 17. Now jersey number 17. Pass to 23. To jersey number 03. Nakuha sa 17. There is a whistle. The jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Side step. Block. 5 to shoot. Nakuha sa 17 na. Pausa po. Iwasin jersey number 30. Oh, 2 points. Lumaban si. And jersey number 13, 227. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 03. Now jersey number 23. Pass to the corner to jersey number 17. Attacking the basket, layup 2 points. Balik sa to Avanse.
47, 53-47.
Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. Side step layup 2 points. Oluma. Last 7 minutes and 10.
53-48.
And jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 30. Offensive foul. And jersey number 27. To jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 1. Out of bounds. Ulimana naman siya. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 30. Low post. Pass. Nice pass. Foul! Pass to Jagan. Another turnover. Pass break to jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23. Off the glass. 2 points. Time out. Pali. It's in 5. Shambansi. 57-48. Now jersey number 23. 213. Attacking the basket. Pass to jersey number 6. Attacking the basket. Offensive foul. Now jersey number 23.
5 minutes na.
To jersey number 18, back to 23. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 17. 3 points. Onse naman si jersey number 30. Pass to 23. 216. 3-point attempt. No good. Jersey number 19. Rebound off the glass. 2 points. Balik sa Siam.
50-59.
59-50. Now jersey number 20. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 13. A 3-point attempt. Ah! 3 points!
59,
Ano mapansin?
6-point lead.
A jersey number 30. Pick. Traveling again. Traveling. Attacking the basket. Block. Now jersey number 23. To 17. To jersey number 10. Back to 17. Raiko. Traveling man to. To 23. To 34. Yep. Now jersey number 23. Attacking the basket of the goal. Last time go up. Foul. Jersey number 10. Harassed by jersey number 13. 10 to shoot. Traveling naman. Tatlo. 23 to 13. Attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 16. To 34. Kick out to 16. Fake. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 23. For a jumper. Bang! Apat na lang, apat. Last 2 minutes and 50. Apat na naman sin. Jersey number 10. Attacking the basket. 23.
59-55.
Pass to 13. To 16. 3-point attempt. Pick Kamba. Wait lang, Marisa. The jersey number 16 to 23. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Nabuya niya. Na-rebound yung jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Fake. Pull-out jumper. Bang! Oh, balik sa Nom.
53.
Last 2 minutes. Now jersey number 16, pass to 23. To 23. Pedra, bang, 2 points. O balik sa apat. 1 minute 45.
7-61.
Now jersey number 28. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket, kick out to jersey number 17, pull up jumper, no good. Another foul.
57-61.
10 to shoot. Pull up jumper. Bah! Time out. Time out. 53, 63, 57, last 1 minute. Jersey number 13. Pass to 23. 2-13. 3-point attempt. Tadlong mo. Kabus lang. Rebound jersey number 17. Last 1 minute. Apo ka na. Misa basa. May gago mo. Kana. Misa basa. 8-11. 50. 3-point attempt. Bang! Ano na?
65.
45. 10.
67-60.
43 seconds.
43 seconds remaining.
40. Darin. Wide. O, na-steal pa. Aray ko. Turnover. O, na-steal pa. Arama. Wala na sulit. Aray ko. 25. Foul. la pa-rebound na Raiko. 14 segundos.
70-60.
10. A 3-point attempt. No good. Away na. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
San Rafael.
Rafael. 70-60.
Ba, where's the nota?